Cup. This is first against England here. Now he's decided to cut loose. Simple improvisation. Last ball of the innings. Looking to work it away on the onside, but this is a very good performance by India. Losing 3 early wickets, they bounce back to...
All a wrist net. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
That's very well played indeed. It's very difficult judging stuff about.
That 4 also brings up the 200 with lovely stroke from Abdur Razak, intentionally playing it in the air against the spin. A few risks.
What a shot! It's MS Dhoni! No, it's not! It's Rashid Khan!
In the slot, look at that. The pose, imposing himself on the bowler from ball 1.
It's the helicopter shot. It is the MS Dhoni.
What a shot! What was that? How did he get it there? How did he hit that full toss? What is that thing?
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL. And he's cleared it quite easily.
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's home among the gum trees. 4 for 370, Ben Cutting.
He's flicked his wrist like MS Dhoni. Flick 6. The helicopter shot. MS Dhoni. Hasn't even swung.
What hit! It was a helicopter shot. For 6. Magnificent.
Again, this gives the fans something to cheer about. Look at that. Full wish of the bat.